Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a really short video today, so let's just get straight into it. I'm showing you here how I did this Fro-Hawk, Fo-Hawk, whatever. So first you want to start with like an old braid out, old twist out, old wash and go, anything that has a little bit of definition in it. This is a braid out I actually did the same day, and I went under a hooded dryer because I needed to do something with my hair, had a date night, so had to get it together. So you want to pick that out a bit so it's malleable and you can work with it. And then you want to clip up one side at a time. I needed a firm hold this day, so I used Edge Booster, but you can really use like a softer gel, something that's not going to have an extreme hold. But I was moving around a lot, so I wanted to make sure it stayed in place and looked good and I wouldn't have to keep going to the bathroom to fix it. So yeah, it didn't budge. Like even for a couple of days, it won't budge with Edge Booster. So I start to mold that up, and then I'm using these long bobby pins. So you want to use the long ones for the perimeters, and then those shorter ones that somewhat match the color of your hair throughout to like fix it up, shape it, and get it into the place you want. So the long bobby pins will run along the perimeter where you want the faux hawk to lay. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. If you see some of the long bobby pins, don't worry, we are going to fix that at the end with the shorter bobby pins and also form the hair to where we want it to fall. This video is super short, like I said, and it's really a testament to how quick it is to do this. Like, I would say this took me about 15 minutes total, like from picking it out to taking my selfies at the end. Like it was a really fast process. So once you have all the perimeter bobby pins down, and honestly you could go like this, like if you want more of a like a messy look, but here I'm using those shorter bobby pins to somewhat frame my face. So those short ones in the front, if my hair flies up, hopefully the brown matches my hair a little bit better than black bobby pins, so that's why I'm using brown for my hair. If your hair is black, use black bobby pins, it'll be perfect. I'm using those brown bobby pins to pin up some of those curls into where I want it to stay. I want my hair to stand up throughout the day, so I'm like pinning it, bunching it together, and finding areas where I want those curls to stand. Also, if some of those long bobby pins are peeking through, this is a good opportunity to use a short bobby pin to cover it with some curls. And make sure you have a side mirror, something to look at to make sure none of those bobby pins are peeking through, and you're done. That's the entire style. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you try it out. Until next time, bye.